So in this video, we will create a real-time report with Azure Stream Analytics and Microsoft Power BI. So first of all, we'll go to Azure portal. Let's install the required resources first. Let me copy my repo and log into portal. In the Cloud Shell, I will select the PowerShell. And I will copy the repo. Let me go with the setup as well. This setup will require all the required resources for this lab. I am pausing the video till all the setup is completed. As you can see, my setup has been completed and resource group with the name 1DI2Y0C is created. So I will close the PowerShell and go to my resource groups and find out my resource group 1DI2YC. Inside this resource group, you can see Event Hubs namespace. Now our next step is to go to the app.powerbi.com, sign in using my credentials. Here I need to create a workspace, so I will go to the workspace and I can create new workspace here. As I already got one, I will not create any. I already got one workspace here which is empty. Next step is to create a workspace with meaningful name, and when viewing the workspace, note down is GUID. So my workspace GUID is this one. Let me copy it and paste somewhere. After that, I need to create a stream analytics job. So first I need to make sure the location, that is East US 2. I need to create the same stream analytics job in the same location. Here I will select East US 2. Let me confirm. Yep, East US 2. Review and create. I need to give the name. So name will be stream orders. Review and create. And create. After that, our next step is to create input and output. Let's wait till the deployment is completed. As you can see, deployment is completed. Let's go to the resource, go to the input, add input, select Event Hub, input name as a orders, Event Hub consumer group default, and save. Let's go to output, add output as a Power BI. Select output alias as a Power BI dataset. And use manual Power BI settings in the group space name. Select our GUID number, user token, authorized using the assign in. Dataset token, dataset name as a real-time data, and table name as a orders, and save. You can test the input and output using this button. Sometimes it will show error for the input, so all you need to do is refresh and try again. If it is fail, that is also okay. We can go to the overview and see that there is one input and one output. Let's edit the query. And change the query as per the code. And save the query. It will show you error sometimes, otherwise maybe it will display the result as per the system.timestamp. If it is show error, that is also okay. You can refresh that. If the error continue, that is also okay. Go to overview and start your Stream Analytics job. I'm pausing the video till my Stream Analytics job is started. As you can see, my Stream Analytics job has started. You can also verify that in the Event Hub group. Now, one next step is to create an output for Power BI. This you already did that. Now, next step is to create a query to summarize the event, which you also did that. Now, run the streaming job to process the order data. Let's input the query in PowerShell. And enter. Now you can see data is being transferred. As of now, it is not visible to the Power BI. So in the Power BI, we will create new and dashboard. First, we will go to the workspace. This real-time dataset is visible here. Now let's create a new dashboard. So new and dashboard. Let's give a dashboard a meaningful name, maybe order tracking. In the dashboard, we need to go to edit menu and add a tile. Let's go to edit menu and add a tile. Select custom stream data. Next, then select your real-time dataset. Next, visualization type. line chart. In the x-axis we will select end time, values we will select order, and time to display 1 minute by default. Select next. Let's give a name as a real-time order count. And apply. You can see few data is already there. You can also drag and make it bigger to visualize it better. Now let's try one more time to feed the data in the PowerShell, which can be visible live on the Power BI. As you can see, the real-time data graph has been generated. You can run the script as many times, so the graph will also change. Let's run script one more time. And observe the real-time data in Power BI. While the order submission script is running, switch back to the browser and order taking Power BI dashboard, and we can see the real-time data. We can rerun this script as many times. Once you finish, stop your Stream Analytics job and delete your resource group.